They're responsible and asks for help with everything. Have any idea how many shoes I have to leave each day to buy them?
What?
Yes, raise your hand. Yes.
And it's the cave. I'm telling you we're going to the cave now. Yes, that's what we're
Exactly,
going.
so what she's saying.
She said they were going to the cave.
Okay, whatever she wants to go
I
there.
thought that was the cave.
Are you holding map?
No, I wasn't holding my life.
Nice. Nice.
Shut up. I think that was your
Okay.
Oh well, it was nice knowing you.
Oh, it's so pretty. What? What tree? Nice. Hint. Maple syrup. It's a maple tree. Oh.
You want to use my shoes?
I don't like this place. Kill ourselves. That way, we're not walking anymore.
Nadia, please keep your
think
thoughts
we're
to
here.
yourself. Girl, we're not here. We're somewhere here.
No, but we're here though. Because of the vlog and stuff.
Because of the what?
I want to go home.
Oh, when I was saying let's go.
I want to go home.
Here, there's some snacks.
That's how the non-black people do not go in our school.
That's true.
I don't know.
Which way? I'm moving this way. This way. Aya. 1, 2, ready.
Are you surprised? Are you really surprised? Aliyah, are you really surprised?
like the one in Barbie. Oh, that's cute.
Is it?
Wait, how will you collect our shoe? Well, you're coming.
Irresponsible and asks for help with everything in his life. But surprise, surprise, the more I help, the more useless he is. Have any idea how many shoes I have done to keep stabilized? So you're eating now. Nothing better than Italian loafers. Then. So you do like cheese. All right, I'll eat it. It stinks. What is to give them to? That can only mean that they're bait, and that he's using them to lure away little girls.
It's the first of the month. I got my teeth again. Oh no!
Let me do a simulate one. And I ate this bitch up and I'm playing for it now. Pasitas.
Very deep fried. Don't want to be fried, you know.
Okay, now listen.
Wait, so the food you can you send me the picture?
Yes, sure.
We were shouting
What happened? Why are they laughing? Why did they stop in the public of the park?
It's our wedding. You guys.
God, we didn't even drink cake. Oh, you guys. When you know, you know.
Thank you.
Joe DeMar, Rod Stewart, Martha Stewart.
I see those. Did you cut yourself? No. Oh. See those claws.
like Katsuman.
And I don't think I really showed my sukuna and stuff because I didn't do it well. Like, I know I didn't do it well, and I was like last minute rushing to do it, and my eyeliner was on the brink of finishing, so like I couldn't do it well. But yeah, I already cleaned it off. It came right now. It's like 3, 4. I'm not really sure. I'm waiting for the others to get back home so we can go trick or treating. So for now, I'm just going to watch TikTok. And it's some mochi. I'm just gonna watch TikTok and eat some mochi. Yeah, mochi and TikTok. I have some Sprites too. Well, till we go trick or treating. Bye.
This is fun. Yeah, it's quite cold. We're not wrong. Woo. Oh. 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 Why is it getting much? Why is it getting much?
Yeah, why is it so hard?
Why is it getting much? Oh.
my
Oh.
gosh.
Oh. Oh. Oopsie. Oopsie. But for now.
I can't wait to make snowmen, man.
Same. Snow angel, snowman.
Everything.
Oh, it's a little bit. It's a little bit. Let's go.
What's it gonna
Got the foods, lollies and caramel.
Yay, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Must be nice to have a car.
Must be nice to have a car. Happy Halloween, guys.
Happy Halloween.
Guys.
And a new month is coming up.
Oh, November. That's
November.
I always forget November.
Tomorrow's my brother's birthday.
Oh, how
First of
cute.
November.
Bye. This is so cute. Oh. 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 Oh.
Thank you. Thank you. Slow service, eh?
Thank you. Happy Halloween.
Have fun, sweetheart.
Thank you.
Happy Halloween. Have fun.
Bye. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Somebody else with a tiger print, I wasn't sure.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
You too.